My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. So today we are going to do a review on the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Powder Foundation and Concealer. So I'm going to give you my thoughts on it, and I would love to hear your thoughts. Leave comments down below. This is what it looks like. And yeah. And mine is in the color 8 Golden Beige. So yeah, we're going to use this to create this minimalistic makeup everyday look. This is usually the makeup that I do when I'm not going anywhere, but I don't necessarily want to see all the imperfections of my skin. So this is usually what I do. I do a very neutral eye and not very much on the face. I don't do a whole lot of contouring. So yeah, if you want to see how this performs and if you want to see how I got this look, then let's just get started. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to get started with my Platinum Skincare Fade Bright, like I always do, for the dark pigmentation under my eyes. And then whatever's left over, I put some down here. Got dark areas right there. Okay, so I'm going to let that soak in, come back, and do my moisturizer. Okay, so now that that's soaked in, I'm going to go ahead and use my Clearly Brighter moisturizer by Garnier. Okay, next I'm going to use my Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector right under my eyes. I'm just going to stipple that in. Okay, and then whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to put some right here. Because the main thing I'm concerned about even when I'm not going anywhere, I don't like to see myself with my dark circles. I just want to see an even skin tone. So that's pretty much all we're going to do today, is just get my skin even and throw on a little bit of color on the cheeks, a little bit on the eyes, lips, and that's it. Not all the steps that I usually do. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Kat Von D concealer. And since I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of contouring or anything, I went ahead and threw a little bit on right there, because that'll kind of give me the look of a more contour cheekbone, even though I'm not going to contour. Okay, so I was supposed to have my eyelash appointment yesterday. That would have been 3 weeks since getting them done. But they're still doing pretty good, so I called them and told them that I'd like to reschedule for a week from now. So on the 22nd, I'll go get them done again. And I'm going to do the 6 one per lash, the 6 eyelash extension per lash. You know what I'm talking about if you watched my eyelash extension video. Okay, so now we are going to show you what the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Powder Foundation and Concealer works like. To be honest with you, I was a bit disappointed in it when I first found out that it was a foundation. I don't know why, but I guess I misunderstood the lady at Ulta. I thought it was a powder to go over the Clinique foundation that I bought, the Beyond Perfecting foundation that I bought. But when I got home and read the box better, it says powder, foundation, and concealer. It's not just a setting powder. So then when I tried it on its own, I wasn't that impressed with it. on its own because it's not as full coverage as what I like for a foundation, and it says it's a concealer as well. So anyway, this is what it looks like right here, and inside is, I've already tried it, and that's what I'm saying, I'm not that impressed with it, but for days like this when I want to look minimal, like I have minimal amount of makeup on, then this is what I do. So there's a smooth baby soft side, and then there's a regular sponge feeling side. The regular sponge feeling side is for medium coverage, and the smoother side is supposed to be for more full coverage, but I don't really see a difference with the two sponges. But anyway, I'll do one side of my face and then I'll come in close and you can see if you think it makes a difference. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start with just the spongy side, not the smooth side. Because I notice when I use the smooth side, it makes the product kind of, I don't know, it kind of makes the powder not so powdery right there. I don't know, I can't even explain it. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and use this, and you can let me know what you think. You know, I'm actually seeing a difference today. I usually don't see a difference when I use this. You see, like I can still see some marks here, some old blemish pot marks that I have. And you can always see the pot marks even with foundation, but I can see the discoloration of them, the redness. Maybe you can't on camera, but this is awesome to have in your purse in case you're out and about and you need a touch-up. Then you've got it right here and you don't have to mess with any liquid foundation. Okay, so this is the coverage. I can see a difference when I look in the monitor, but I'm going to get close so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so here I am a little closer. Here's the side that's done. I do see a difference. It's just not as full coverage of makeup as I usually prefer. So this is perfect for this look, for a minimalistic makeup look. Okay, I'm gonna zoom back out because this is scary. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish applying my powder foundation. This is my first time ever using a powder foundation, so I don't know. I guess I prefer liquids. Okay, so I'm done with this. I'm gonna zoom this in closer so you can, I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about, how, yeah, you can see it right there. The powdery goes away and it gets smooth right there, and I don't like that. So you have to kind of scrape that. That's why I don't use the smooth edge anymore, because I feel like that's why it did that. I don't know. Okay, so give me your thoughts on this product, or let me know if you've tried it and how you've liked it. It's okay, but like I said, it's good to throw in your purse in case you need a touch-up throughout the day. And yeah, so there you go. And I don't even feel like I need a setting powder because that kind of is a 3-in-1. It's a foundation, concealer, and kind of a setting powder. So I'm not going to use a setting powder today. Like I said, this is a minimal makeup look. So all I'm going to do now is get my Hoola bronzer from Benefit. And I'm going to bronze up my cheeks a little bit. Yay, I've lost enough weight that my ring fits me again. I'm in the middle. I'm on day 6 of a 7-day cleanse because I have a bad liver, as some of y'all may know if you've watched some of my other videos. And so this is supposed to be so helpful for my liver, and it's good for your kidney if y'all have bad kidneys. And just overall, it's good to cleanse once in a while. So anyway, I've lost 4 pounds on the cleanse. I'm on day 6, like I said. And it fits me again, yay! You can do like a little upside down triangle right here to make it look like you have less of a double chin. That's what I do anyway. So now with that finished, I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit, just a little bit. I don't always do this, but gonna do it today. Not as much as I usually do. Okay. So now I am going to take my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, highlight my usual place on my nose. It's such a big nose, it deserves an exclamation mark. I'm so silly. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that and I'm gonna buff that out. Okay, so that's it. And now I think I'm gonna put like, I'm using this, it's from Dollar Tree, LA Colors, and I think I'm gonna use this right here all over my lid. And a little up here. And then number 2, color number 2, and kind of put it out here towards the outer corner. Okay, and now I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer and I'm going to do my crease with that. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to take this black color right here, Ball and Chain. That name stuck with me. I don't remember a whole lot because I forget things easily, but I do remember that name because it made an impression on me because I thought it was so funny. I'm just going to take this little angled brush and I'm going to put it really close to my lash line. There, see? That eye pops a little bit more with just that little subtle little difference. Carry it down a little bit. Alright, you know what I might do? I might try to, because this is making my eye look like it's drooping down, so I might try to make a little bit of a wing out of this. Try to angle it up. Just slightly. Okay, that's all I'm going to do with Ball and Chain. I'm going to take some of my Hoola and I'm going to get a pencil brush and just slightly do my bottom. Just very minimal. Now I'm going to get my NYX brown black pencil and that's it. I'm going to do the other eye now. So I'm not going to do bottom mascara because I don't usually do that when I'm just going to hang around the house. I'm going to do a light lip color. And that'll be it. I'm going to use my Jordana Tawny lip liner. And today, I usually don't use my high-end makeup when I'm just going to be home. So today I'm going to use number 42 or 45, I don't know. These are by Rimmel and it's called, it says Kate on there with a heart, and I have number 42 and 45. I think I'm going to go in with 45. It's a little bit darker. And that's it. I'm gonna highlight my face. I usually do that first, but I forgot. Yeah, I'm not even gonna put blush on. Well, maybe I'll throw on a tiny bit, just because. Just using this peach Milani color. Just a teeny bit. And it has a little bit of highlighter on it, but I'm going to go ahead and highlight anyway. I usually don't use my Anastasia. I usually, when I'm staying home and not going anywhere, I use my Milani because to me it's almost just as good, but a lot less expensive. I forgot to use it on my nose. I use my Anastasia on my nose. I usually don't. But I'm going to pop this on the inner corner of my eyes right here, just to open it up and make my eyes look more awake. Highlight my cheeks. See, this is really pretty too. So if you don't want to spend $28 or $29 on the Anastasia Amrezi one, I think this is like $8 to $10 to $12. One of those, 8, 10, or 12, I don't know. A little bit on the brow bone. A little bit up here just to give you a glow. And that's it. I'm done. I'm just going to buff it all in very gently so I don't move everything around. And that's it, guys. Alright, so I will zoom out and say goodbye to y'all, but yeah, this is my everyday look when I'm not going anywhere. So alright, I will see you in a minute when I zoom out. Okay guys, so this is it. We're a little bit more zoomed out, not as scary looking. I like how it turned out. This is, like I said, my everyday makeup look when I'm not going anywhere. And like I said, I don't use all of my high-end products when I'm staying home. I save that for going out or for filming with you guys. So I use some high-end and some that wasn't. So yeah. And yeah, I really like the glow. That's the main thing that I try to do when I'm gonna stay home, is I just don't want to see the imperfections in my skin, the under eyes, the dark circles, and the uneven skin. So I just kind of try to even up my skin a little bit. And it's so awesome that I don't have to put false eyelashes on or put mascara on. They're ready to go with these eyelash extensions. And having the Wonder Brow right here, I love it. I just reapply it every like 3 days or so and I'm good to go. You know, it stays on for 2 to 3 days. See? It doesn't come off. Alrighty guys, so yeah. You like my shirt? This is a thrift store find, as well as the little skirt I'm wearing, but I love this shirt. I love the days. Monday, look at the face. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, getting happy. Friday, Saturday, and ooh, Sunday. I just loved this shirt, so I thought it was cute to wear around the house. And I just have on a little skirt that I also got from the thrift store. Let me see if I can back up a little bit so you can see it. There's my light. And flip-flops. Okay, so I probably wasn't in focus. I'm probably in focus now. So don't forget to leave comments down below. Let me know if you've tried this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Powder Foundation and Concealer, or what you thought about it on my skin. I did see a difference, but it's still not as full coverage as what I normally like. So alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye! Mwah.
And it's so awesome that I don't have to put eyelashes, or I don't have to put false.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.